Hey, if you've tried learning GenAI online, you know it's kind of a mess. Too much noise, most content is generic or outdated, and barely anything makes you job ready. That's where HiDevs comes in. We are building a platform that makes GenAI learning 100% personalized and way more outcome driven than random courses or tutorials. When you join, we start by getting to know you, your skills, your goals, and what you want out of this. Then we generate a custom roadmap built around you, no more cookie cutter paths. From there, you start building real world production ready projects. Stuff like chatbots, LLM tools, GenAI search, and even MVPs that you can ship. Everything is GitHub ready and built to impress. You also get access to Lead Prompt, where you'll sharpen your prompt engineering with feedback and real life challenges. Because in GenAI, good prompts always equal to good outcomes. And if you get stuck, there's our very own Dave AI assistant, a digital mentor trained on 200 plus hours of real mentorship. He gives feedback, breaks blockages as you grow, unlocking our talent pool where real companies are looking for Gen AI talent. So if you're serious about your career and about Gen AI, start upskilling with HiDevs today.